You didn't expect that from that blow-through. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Do you have an upgraded alternator?
Yeah.
Can I see it too? Sorry.
It's way down there. It's hard to see.
What vehicle is this? A Nissan Titan. Okay.
Yeah, 2 years ago. It's way down there.
Okay.
20 amp auto check.
Nice. All right. So your name and what's all in here, man?
My name's Carl Zink. It's a 2012 Nissan Titan. 2 Resilient Sound Platinum 15s on 1 MD8K and a 4th order blow-through. I believe the ratio is 4 to 1. 96 amp hours of headway.
Okay.
320 amp alt. 4 6.5s in factory locations and 2 2.5 tweeters.
Okay. Did you build this?
Yes, sir. Nice. Flatline Designs was the box designer. I built the box in my backyard.
All right. Sweet. So did you, the cutout fab work.
Yes, sir.
How did you seal it so rain and water don't get in?
So there's a RV boot. It's basically like a double-sided rubber boot.
Okay.
It's got a metal clamp in both sides that's made into it.
Okay.
You cut your holes. Obviously, you try to get them lined up perfect.
Yeah.
Cut them, seal them in there. I used construction adhesive that was waterproof as well around it, just to be double sure.
Yep.
Piles of foam, wood.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of work.
I had to build 2 brackets to hold the center glass up because it's actually a drop-down window with a motor.
Oh really?
From factory.
Oh yeah, got it.
So I did the delete on that.
That's a lot of work.
Yes, sir.
Good. Do you know your sealed section size?
No, sir. Not right off the rip.
It's all good. But it's like a 4 to 1, so a big ratio.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely sealed side's a lot smaller.
Oh yeah. All right. What's your bandwidth like?
I can play down to about 24. It gets a little heavy. Up to 44.
All right.
It peaks around 36. I do a 149.9 at 36.
Really?
Yeah, almost.
That's pretty good for that.
Yeah.
Blow through. All right, man. I've heard it before. 2 years. Okay. Oh, so you used to have 2 12s right here.
Yes,
I think.
sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you changed it. Okay. Nice.
Yes, sir. Did the whole back seat delete. Oh.
Okay. So pretty much, what made you go with that size cone area instead of like a little bit more, a little bit different size?
Mainly I stayed with in competition wise because I do run the lanes quite a bit. I wanted to try to stay in a lower class. Obviously power and cone area plays a big part into it.
Yes, sir.
So 215s was just a step above 212s.
Yeah, it is. Yep.
If I run 4,
That's a bigger jump.
It's a bigger jump.
Yes, sir.
But it stayed pretty good, man. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you again.
Not a problem. Anytime.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it. blowthrough. You did good, man. Nice job.
Appreciate it.
Good work.
Definitely a step up from the 212s I had.
Oh,
back
yeah.
there. Be good, man. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you again. Thank you for the demo.
Not a problem. Anytime.